This is going to be my last tutorial video for Floppy Painter. This one's going to cover 3D. It's going to be a pretty shorter one. I'm going to hit New Project. This time we'll open Model. Find a model path that you are happy with and open it. We'll hit Create. Here we are. Now, the movement is about the same. Actually, if you ever use Blender, it's pretty similar to Blender. And if you want to change the light, you can change this gizmo right here. We'll just make it, that's fine. For this, we'll go unshaded, so I'm going to edit, and then going to go to unlit shaded. And now we're ready to start painting. You can paint onto the model just by dragging around. I'm going to hold middle mouse to move around. You also press space or shift to do that. There's also the middle mouse and scroll. Just like Blender 2, you can hold control and space to pan. And we can just paint. So hold down and paint. We'll give them like some wings or something. Nothing too fancy for this tutorial. There you go. I want to give it a different color. Go palettes here. Click this. Maybe resize this a little bit more for space. Well, let's give it a brown color. There you go. Now we can make this look maybe more like a saddle by giving it some little metal pieces. Generally speaking, you can just paint what you want and do all the operations that you would in 2D just on 3D. Though it is important to note that there is some limitations when it comes to selection. It's a bit harder to do that because we're looking in a different UV scale. So we're basically seeing the canvas onto the model, and that can cause some inconsistencies on scaling and size, just simply because you can see that realistically speaking, this UV right here should be flipped in the other way around, but it is not. So when I make a selection, you can see that we're actually upside down. Really, it's all about how you make your UVs. You also could just edit on the 2D canvas if you really need the fine control. At this point, you probably get the idea of how you just paint onto this guy. You also can set different brushes. So we'll do that. There you go. There's some other brushes. Everything you can do in 2D, you can do in 3D. You have layers, we have the timeline, and everything will work in 3D. At the end of the day, the 2D canvas is really just being applied to the 3D model. So anything you can do in here, you can do in there. Before we end this video off, I'm going to go back to home here, and if you place your closed home, go to view and then home. And I'm going to click this report bug and review button. It's going to open this little dialog where you can send me some feedback. Please, if you have any feedback or encounter any bugs, please write me some feedback. It will help the project. And that's going to do it. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial series, and I hope it helped. Have a good day and happy painting.